In this video, we're going to see how to create a table in Excel in just a few seconds, and how you can quickly and easily sort and filter the rows and customize the colors. To quickly create a table in Excel, just click anywhere on your data and press Ctrl T. Excel will then guess the extent of your data, and you can see here it hasn't chosen all of the data because we have blank rows and blank columns. So before trying to create the table, go through and delete any blank columns and any blank rows. Also, if you have a total row, delete that as well. Now that we've cleaned up our data, we'll click on it again and press Ctrl T. And now we can see that Excel has selected all of the data. Make sure you've checked the box for My Table Has Headers and then click OK. And now you can see we have an Excel table. You can click on any one of the drop downs in the header row to sort the table and to filter the table in lots of different ways. For example, if we want to select just the stores in the south, we could uncheck North and click OK. Then we can put it back to show all the stores. Or if we wanted to select all of the sales that are greater than $500, we can just type 500, click OK, and now we can just see the sales that match our filter. To show all the sales again, regardless of their values, we can just check this box. When you click on the table, you'll see a Table Design tab in the ribbon, and here you can give your table a name, such as Sales, and you can choose from different color schemes as well. You can also add a total row. You can toggle the filter buttons off and on, and you can toggle banded rows off and on, depending on what you want your table to look like. There's also lots of other things you can do with Excel tables, so if you'd like to learn more, check out our full-length video by clicking on the link in the description below. See you there.